everybody.
Welcome. Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome back to Saleh Family Cooks.
Well, we got our own cooking show now.
I guess so. You guys really enjoyed the last video where we did vegetable pakoras, so we thought we would show you guys what we do for Iftar in terms of opening the fast. So we're gonna do a fruit parfait, a whipped cream fruit parfait. It's gonna be delicious. And then we're gonna cook coconut kidney bean curry, which is always delicious with rice.
Absolutely. So stay tuned for that.
So let's get right into the parfait.
Chop chop.
And we've already prepped all the fruits and everything, so everything's pre-washed and cut and ready to go, so we don't waste any time. So we got a good old-fashioned liquid honey. We've got orange juice. And then we've got whipping cream. And mango, if you want to add. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our whipped cream, and I'm just gonna eyeball this. I would say probably 1 cup.
That much?
For 2 people. And then we're gonna grab our hand mixer. If you have a KitchenAid, feel free to use that as well. I'm using just the hand version of it. So we're gonna mix it up until we get perfectly fluffy. I'm going to show you the texture of it. So now you can see, look at that. Perfect. So that's what you want. You want it to be just like this. Fluffy, airy. And now we're going to add our honey. So for this, I would say probably like a tablespoon. And then we're going to add some orange juice. And this, you just want to do a splash, so like maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. And then we're gonna mix it up again. Okay, so now that that's done, now we're gonna do my favorite part, which is add your fruit.
There's a bit of a secret. Make sure grapes are the #1 because you get that crunch from the grapes. It's so amazing. And we actually hid a whole bunch of grapes underneath all the blueberries and strawberries.
And then you're just gonna fold it all together.
Fold it all together.
Fold it.
It's not close.
You don't mix it, you fold it very carefully because you don't want any of the blueberries to get squished. Oh my god, it looks so good. So good. Okay, so there you go. That's the Iftar fruit parfait. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to make is our meal, and today we're gonna be making coconut kidney bean curry. It is from HelloFresh. And we love HelloFresh. We love adding it to our Iftar menu. It comes straight to our door. It's all pre-portioned in these bags, so nothing ever goes to waste, and it makes cooking really easy and fun.
The best part is that we get to pick what we want, so we never are not knowing what we're gonna get.
Yeah, so let's get right in and see what's inside. Thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. All right, so in this meal bag, we have some green onions as well as spinach, which is actually already pre-washed and ready to go for us. Then we have ginger, which is pre-portioned, and lemongrass, which is actually something that we normally don't cook with at our house. So I'm really excited to use it. And then they have oyster sauce as well as garlic paste. Again, super easy instead of having to crush garlic, fresh garlic. And then red kidney beans, along with a red chili pepper and an onion, of course. And then a sweet potato, and then we have coconut milk and basmati rice. HelloFresh saves us so much time and money at the end of the day after fasting for so long. The last thing that we want to do is dig in a recipe book only to go and grocery shop for ingredients. So with HelloFresh, every ingredient arrives in this bag and it's all pre-portioned and ready to be prepared. Okay, so our water is boiling. I'm going to now add the rice. And then we're going to Okay, so my favorite way of doing ginger is old-fashioned way. Like the smell of ginger.
Everybody loves the smell of ginger.
I'm not a huge fan. I like garlic. The smell of garlic. Perfect. Okay, and then the veggies. The lemongrass. This is something I never use in my cooking, so I'm always interested to see how it's gonna be.
Lemongrass it is.
Okay, so all of the veggies are now prepped, and now I'm going to take a pot over here and I'm gonna add some oil to it, and then I'm gonna read the instructions and I'll tell you what we do next. So we're gonna add in the garlic puree, the ginger, the lemongrass, and the onions, as well as 1/4 of a teaspoon of the red chilies, and then we're gonna cook until it's fragrant. Then we'll add the kidney beans, sweet potatoes, oyster sauce, and coconut milk to the concoction. He's gonna add the garlic puree. And then the ginger, the onion, the lemongrass, and the chilies. You guys, this year we have made it our goal to eat as healthy as possible. I'm sure all of you have started the year off with the same goal in mind. So what we love about HelloFresh is they offer the best vegetarian dishes that fit our lifestyle perfectly, just like this one right here. Now that's fragrant, now we're gonna add the sweet potato, the kidney beans, as well as the coconut milk and the oyster sauce. It's like kind of like lotion.
That's why you can use it as lotion.
Yeah.
Stir it up.
Stir it up. Then we're gonna add some water. And then turn the heat up a little bit. Mix it all together and cook it down.
Oyster.
Oyster.
So, like, what is it, oyster sauce anyway?
I don't know. Do you know what oyster sauce is? I'm assuming it comes from oysters, but...
Is it like smushed up oysters or pureed oysters?
I don't know.
Or is
I've
it
never really
one of those
thought
things
about
that
it.
has absolutely nothing to do with oysters?
Well, it's kind of like soy sauce. Like, what is soy sauce?
Stuff.
Okay, so another favorite thing that we love about HelloFresh is the fact that they are so sustainable.
And everything's pre-portioned, so we're actually not wasting any produce or any ingredients at all.
Yeah, so everything that came in the bag is literally in that pot right there, and we're not wasting anything.
Well, some of it's on the stove now too. That's my fault.
Okay, so I just took out the rice from the pot. I'm just gonna add some green onion to it. And then let me just cook these for just a minute, and then add the rice back in. Just to soften them a little bit. That's funny with the rice on the bottom of it.
Oh, loose on you, loose on.
And then we'll just add the rice back in. Quick prayer break.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
So we'll take out the lemongrass.
Why?
Because it's not to be eaten, it's just there for flavor.
Flavor grass.
Flavor grass. Okay, so we're gonna add spinach.
Spinach time.
Until the
Flavor sticks, gone.
Lemongrass, gone.
Spinach, sad and wilted.
But very nutritious. Like, look at that. It's loaded with yummy goodness. Mmm. Okay, so we already had the fruit parfait because we couldn't wait and it was iftar time. And
there's some remnants.
There's some remnants, but
one thing we didn't mention, guys,
gone.
is that once it's done, put it in the fridge to chill.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you wait long enough, it's going to turn into milk salad kind of thing.
So and it keeps fine in the fridge for like 2 days. So you can just put it in the fridge and then have it again tomorrow. I
shall be eating that at about 4:30 tomorrow morning.
Yeah, it's delicious. I hope you guys enjoy the fruit parfait. But now we're gonna dig into the meal. And in case you guys want to try HelloFresh, go to HelloFresh.com and enter our code SALEH16 and you'll get up to 16 free meals.
And 3 gifts. Surprises.
3 surprise gifts. So let's dig in.
I don't know what that is, but
it looks really hot though.
Bismillah. And it's hot.
It's very hot.
It's good. Oh, found a chili already.
The flavor's really good. The cat is at my feet. I think it smells the food. It's like, I want some.
Very yummy.
Okay, we're gonna go enjoy our food now. And we will see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed these little cooking videos. And I hope you try these recipes. If you try this one out, let us know how it goes.
This one's super good. Lots of flavor. Lots of flavor.
And it's so like healthy. It's got the kidney beans, the sweet potatoes, the spinach. It's yummy.
And the ginger.
And the garlic. Okay, we're gonna go enjoy our food now.
We're gonna sit here and eat and talk. How are you guys? How are you doing? It's been a while.
All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in.
Oh, hang on.
We'll see you next time.
Sana.
Left a lemongrass.
We lied.
I thought I got all of them.
Said the flavor sticks were not in there.
All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
Take care, guys. Assalamu alaikum.